Ayan guys, dito kami sa sa mga tent guys. Tingin-tingin lang kung anong maidagdag sa camper guys. 2,799. Are you serious guys? Sale. But I like this. This one is a shower. Okay. But we have that one. This one is a family tent guys. It's too wide. Okay. Other than that, this one guys for firewood. Yes. I don't like the color guys. Yung table nila guys. Really. This one is a big family. Ayan guys. Tingnan natin sa loob guys. Yan ang table. Ang ganda din. Okay. Ang ganda din guys. Ayan guys. Dito naman, dito ay mga higaan din. Mga damit, lagyan ng damit. Little kids tent. Ayan guys, dito ka na prepare ng mga paglulutuin. Yeah, that's nice. Ito yung mga guys, gazebo. Yes, gazebo. Kind of gazebo. Ayoko siya, itong ganito na doyan guys. Gusto ko yung may parang net. Ayan guys, ito is ano to? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Outdoor use only. Heater guys, heater. It's heater. Guys, maganda din ito guys. Nagdala tayo. In case of emergency. Charot. Tingnan mo guys. Ang presyo. Meron din dito guys. Glow head lamp. Glow head lamp. Yan guys. Diyan ka sa mga diyan ka sa Lasang Tarot. Dito guys, ito ang lantern na rechargeable na lamp. Okay. 3 hour para. 3 hour run and 5 hour. Okay. Guys. Ito solar. String lights. Really? 10 hour. Tingnan yung presyo guys. Seriously guys. Dami. Ito yung mga gamit pag guys. So, ready na kayo mag-camping. Ayan guys. Sale 20%. Okay. Ayan guys. Ito guys, kompleto na to guys. Cooking utensil kit. Ayan guys. Pwede din na individual. Ayan yung mga maliliit na guys. Tangke. Maliit. Yan. Laki-laki. Yan. Sa baba pinakamalaki. Pinakamalaki. May pinakamalaki guys. Ayan. Yan. I think I need this guys because my one is ang na guys, very old na. Okay, maganda siya kasi tingnan na guys. And then mag-barbecue yan guys. So, barbecue. Tapos yan ang presyo guys. Maganda rin dito. Guys. Guys, maganda rin ito guys. Pero maganda rin ang price guys. Sarap. Meron ako niyan noon. $3,000 guys. Seriously.
We'll get them next week. Wait,
Wow.
these ones. We'll get them next week.
I have. Only you. I have. You remember? I have mine. I will show you when I get home. This one is good. Like this one.
Crocs.
For you. For you. Yes. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Maybe I need it like this. Where is mine? The bigger one, not the one. Because I'm scared for the. No, I want this one for camping. I'm scared of the snake or linta. Charot.